located soldiers located East Metro and children's projects located just forward of the Afghan. Once again, for your safety, there is absolutely no standing on the boat while the boat is in motion.
See, don't drop your skis down. Yeah.
The submarine we're on. The water. Now we're about to go inside. Watch your head. Alex, navigator stewardess system. Let's go! Taking the camera, Alex. All the fans on the top.
All the levers and stuff. You have to know this. Hey, you know this stuff. Look. Hey, give me the commentary. Give me commentary. Give me commentary. I'm just going into the hole.
Oh, look, he's going into the
and he's going naked and he's big as fuck, so he's gonna get stuck.
Look at the shower.
He's going to might be a thing in his right. What the hell? Is that the tub?
In the shower. Wow. That's where they took a shit. There's no way they That's where they took the shit at. Man, Bob, shut up.
Damn, dude.
Alright, shut up, Zach. Show us what you ride for. I mean, yeah, blow up. Yeah. They be fast as hell. Zach ain't gonna fit. Look, it's a tight squeeze.
Oh, damn. Where's coming down here? Man, I can just walk through.